This frog literally looks like moss. Meet the Vietnamese Mossy Frog, a master of disguise. Its green, brown, and black skin is loaded with bumps and textures that totally mimic moss and lichen. When this little guy sits still on wet rocks or tree bark, you'd walk right past it, no cap. In the cool, humid caves of northern Vietnam, this amphibian stays hidden in flooded forests, chilling half-submerged in shadowy pools. It's semi-aquatic and mostly nocturnal, blending perfectly with the darkness. Even its call sounds like a cricket or bird. Wild, right? When predators show up, it doesn't bolt. It freezes dead still, trusting that moss-like camo. If that fails, it drops into the water and disappears among the rocks like a ghost. Subscribe to Real Animal Hub for more insane wildlife.